this caliber at the same time.
No way, especially when you got Shane McMahon on the other side. I mean, he's just defending every...
Oh my God, the steps off the face of Reigns. Let's end this now.
Shane and Drew are going to take their time with this.
Oh, they're going to punish him. They're going to torture Reigns here tonight. McIntyre was humiliated last night at Stomping Grounds. Now he's going to take out all of his angst, all of his